What up viewers, Stark Production, back with another Stark video. So this time for the Marvel Legends Baf Apocalypse. I'm so glad I got this figure from my birthday. It was on December 10th. It was yesterday on the Philippines because today is December 11, but in the United States it's December 10 because we have different time zones. So there, I got a birthday owl. So that's a massive figure. That is my dad's gift for me. So for detail, just let you judge what the detail. Just stand them up. For some reason, my Apocalypse is a better standard than other Apocalypse. There. So you just stare at the details of this figure, and I'm not gonna get in the way. I'll get onto the articulation later after the size comparison.
What follows is an important message.
So my Apocalypse is the variant, because the variant is all black. So let's get a good look at the face right here, and at the back view. Let's look first at the side. On the back view, see the details of the muscles right there. These tentacles. Has faces like Dog Ox and Sentinels. Just great figure. Great Baf. I wish Hasbro would create Bafs like this. Big Bafs. Like the old days. So for size comparison wise, I'm gonna put in Sasquatch. This is from the Apocalypse series. And here's X23. Just wait for a while. I'm just gonna get something. Ayan. So my dad called me. Oh, mamaya. That was my brother. So for size comparison wise, Sasquatch is about at the crotch of Apocalypse and towering up to the waist, just a little bit here. So for XL3, for a small figure, it's about above the knee level. His body is about knee. His head is exceeding at the knee. So that's a fair height. So for articulation, this figure has more articulation than you would think for a big figure. So in articulation wise, his head can go forward, back, rotate 360 degrees, but is altered by the collar right here. Hand articulation, I'm just gonna remove the tentacles. Just remove the tentacles right there. So this is the accessories that the Apocalypse comes with. This is inside is I forgot the name of the wire, but it's a wire. You can bend anywhere you want. You can form like that. I'm not gonna remove the other one because it's hard. So for articulation, this figure can go side to side because it has a bulge on the shoulder. You can rotate 360 degrees. Can rotate 360 degrees at the upper part of the arm. Come on, it's kind of stiff, but it's new. Can bend at one point of the elbow. Can rotate 360 degrees here. And so this articulation can go forward, back, has single joints for every finger except the thumb. And has waist articulation, really good articulation on the waist. I like the articulation on the waist because it has the joints. Forward and back. Can rotate 360 degrees at the waist. Has big ball joints at the legs. Go side to side. Stiff forward and back. Can rotate 360 degrees here. Has 2 points for articulation at the knee. And this panel can go forward and back as well. This foot can move side to side a little bit, back and forth, and has 2 articulations. For articulation is great. So you can do massive poses, but the most common pose of the Apocalypse is only standing. See that? This is a massive build the figure, so one last look. The figures that this Baf comes with is the Sasquatch that I just showed you, the X-Men 3, Iron Fist, Maestro, Astonishing Wolverine, and Bishop. So that's it, my review for Apocalypse. So subscribe to Sunstickers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 channels because YouTube deleted this channel. So subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put a link on the sidebar right there, or anywhere. So subscribe to me if you like, add me as friend, comment, rates. So that's it, a review of the Baf Marvel Legends Apocalypse. So be nice.